for the young people, listen. Listen to the old people. Listen to the elders. Stay in school. If you're young and you have no children, you got nothing to lose. Education is key. Education is important, especially the First Nations people. It's good to understand your culture. It's good to understand your language, to speak your language. But you need that education. There is no other way.